Heard it?
Yep.
Well, we didn't see a mine on this one, but I guarantee you there's one up there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if we come hiking these, I guarantee you we'll find a decent bit.
Oh yeah, I mean they don't make these roads up here just for the heck of it. It goes to something.
Because like even like that couple was saying, they mentioned that there was a couple of mines up that way where they were hiking.
Yeah.
And they probably didn't even see all of them.
Went further up in here than I thought we did.
Yeah, this road was too perfect for a while to not end up like that.
Yeah, you know that's the thing about, I've said before, when we get to going up these trails like this, when you're going up like that, they're not going to get nothing but worse. That's just the way it is.
Yeah.
The further it goes up the mountain, the worse it's going. There's a deer.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Going right up through there. I barely kind of happened to look up there and see it. But yeah, the further you go, the worse they get. So I mean, you can keep going. The braver you are, the further you can go. Braver or crazier.
Yeah.
I just don't. I'm not into getting hurt anymore, injured, or having, something really bad happen. Crash the bike, tear it up, bust the engine case, or anything like that.
Yeah, I feel that.
That's when it's
or end up having to get ditched down a mountainside.
Yeah, that's just when it's too much. I want to have fun without all that. I've been there before.
And it's like I ain't got to worry about proving to myself if I have the skill or not. It's like,
Yeah.
now I got the skill, just I don't want to risk
just
it.
having the want to. Awesome view out there.
These trails would make good trails for like a little 125 or something, like an actual dirt bike 125.
Oh yeah, they would. They'd
like
be
a
fun.
CR or something. That'd be perfect for these trails.
Just like a little XR80, real low geared and big old knobby on that dude. You could just go everywhere on a little 80 like that.
Plenty of lightweight and power.
Yeah.
Or hell, even my 150 would be good for stuff like this.
The 150 actually was 150 actually was perfect.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It was perfect.
Until you get up into 230 and stuff, you start getting so much more weight. Then the 150 was super light.
Yeah, I think you could just whip around anywhere. Like Chadwick didn't have nothing on my 150.
It did me on the 250L. Remember I laid it over in that berm?
Yeah, I remember that. We were going through there. You got a little bit ahead of me, and all I saw was a tail light laying sideways. I was like, what?
Yeah, that was wild. Holy cow, look at that view.
That is awesome.
That is amazing. I like it.
Probably the funniest part about that Chadwick experience was we were taking all that time looking for Dairy Queen Hill,
Yeah.
and then we realized that we actually come down it.
Yeah, we had went down that thing. It's funny because I took him down a hill and I was like, it was bad. It was a gnarly dude. And I was on the 250L. He was on the 150. And when we got down to the bottom, I said, now we got to go back up that. Luckily, we didn't. We could have. People do, but I have on four-wheelers too.
Yeah, there's a decent enough lines like through the ledge rock. I could have easily made it through there on that 150. especially with how lightweight it is. And I'd even rode plenty enough by that time that like it wouldn't have been a problem.
There's some scenery through here for sure. Hope that rock don't fall while we're going through there. That one right up there.
That's it.
Now we just gotta go find some more.
Yep.
All right, guys, we're going to end this video here. Stay tuned. Hang in there. It won't be long. I'll have the next video up. Find out what else we find today. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.